What's up, everyone? Train Freak here along with...
Hi.
Miss Freak. She is going to attempt, keyword attempt, to learn operations. So we're going to have to be very patient with her because this is her first time.
Oh, God.
It's not the fact that I talked her into it. All of you who voted on the community post that I put up a poll. Y'all are the ones that convinced her. So thank y'all so much.
Yep.
Y'all are awesome. Okay, so Miss Freak is going to end up doing the Hickory Ridge Industrial switcher. So she's got a short list, but let me tell you, it's not as simple as it reads, because she's going to have to do some running rounds, and some stuff will be dropped off from the back of the locomotive, some stuff will be dropped off on the front, but she will not be going on the main line, so that's going to be her saving grace. Alright, so the first thing she's going to do, she's going to turn her headlight on, so she's going to press the 0 button on her controller. Alright, headlight is on, so we have a headlight now.
Good.
Alright, she's going to check to make sure that she has a rear light, so she's going to hit the direction button at the top of the controller.
Yep.
Alright, she's going to hit the direction again, so that way we have it back on headlight. So, whichever way the headlight is facing is the direction your locomotive will be going. Y'all, this is a teaching moment. Alright, she's going to start the locomotive up, so she's going to hit the number 5 button one time. And good for her, this locomotive is my Stewart Hobbies Baldwin VO1000 that I have installed Soundtrack's Tsunami 2 and programmed the automatic horn signals. So if you don't like the horn signals, I'm sorry. But it's prototypical to my era, and so that's what we're going to be doing. Alright, so Miss Freak, or Amanda, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to move your locomotive forward. I will be your conductor, so I will throw your switches for you.
Oh, great.
Okay? So you're going to go ahead and move it up to where it goes past this switch right here. And you can go up to 10.
How do I stop?
You'll hit the decrease button to stop.
Right.
Don't hit the red one.
Right there.
Yeah, you got to hit it multiple times.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Alright, so now she's going to back into her consist that's on track 2.
Direction?
Yep, direction.
And that puts my, whatever that light is.
Your backup light.
My backup light. Okay. Like a
So
car.
we got a backup light,
Okay.
yep, just like a vehicle. And that's what you're going to do. Alright, now start slowing down to 5. And go ahead and kill it. And she coupled on. How about that?
Hey.
Alright, so we're not going to pull the whole train forward. We're just going to pull the first 2 cars.
This
Nope.
one up?
Nope. Drop it. There we go.
Okay. Alright.
Alright. We're going to do our first 2 cars. They're going to go to Wilson and Company receiving. We do have cars over at Wilson and Company receiving. And so she'll have to pull those out. So go ahead and pull up.
Okay, direction?
Yep. And what you're going to want to do is we're going to want the last car to clear this switch right here. And you can go up to 10. Now, if Jack is watching, I'm training her right. This is what we call Jack speed.
Okay.
I don't know, this might be too fast for Jack.
So got it there.
Yeah, we want the last car right here. So go ahead and slow down. Keep going. Well, you got to stop. There you go. Now you'll hear that single horn that lets you know you stopped.
Okay, got it.
Now I'm going to throw this switch here, and you're going to be doing some very, very far backing in.
Okay, so down there, we're coming down here because we have to move those cars.
Right.
Okay, got it. Now I can go?
Yep, you can go. Now remember this, you're backing up, so it's speed step 5.
I got it.
And I'm pretty sure my hand-built switch is in the correct position. I would think it is. It was not. No, that's not going to hit our clipboard, is it? I think our clipboard might be okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now, if you wanted to, you could hit the number 9 button and do a grade crossing signal.
The 9 right here?
Yep.
Wow.
Alright, and then press it again to turn it off. I guess.
Nope.
Oh well. We did it twice. I guess because we're going slow. Okay. So if anybody's wondering, that is a kit that I have not built, but it's acting as my building. And that building will go there. A kit bashed version of it. Okay, so you're going to want to slow down as we're coming into the building. Alright, you're a quarter of a car length. And keep going. Nope, you didn't go back far enough. Now you did.
Okay.
Alright, I don't know if it coupled, so I'm gonna... Yeah, it looks like it did.
It
Okay,
did.
it coupled. Alright, you're gonna change your direction. We want this last car to clear that switch.
This one right here?
Yep, it's got to be, the last car's got to be to the right, on top of the grade crossing.
Okay. I can go to 5 or 10?
You can go 10. But when your third car starts getting on that switch, I'd probably slow down. Or your last car. And this is the only switch on the layout. I have a tortoise hooked up, but not wired in, so I have to flip the tortoise manually. Keep going till you're past all of those hand-built wooden ties. And then you can stop. Alright. Throw the switch. Okay, now you can back in. We're going to drop the last 2 cars off.
Okay. And
so have you noticed that every time you go forward it does 2 standard horns, and then when you go in reverse it does 3 shorts? Have you noticed that?
I didn't until just now.
That's proper horn signals. You have 2 standard blasts for forward, 3 short blasts for reverse, and then 1 short blast. Keep going. Almost all the way to that bumper, just don't hit it. Alright, that's good. And then a short blast to say I stopped. Alright, we're going to use the 050. I'm going to pick up, just hit it back.
What's the 50?
The 050, it's my hand.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
I got it.
Change your direction and...
Forward. Okay.
Yep.
Now where are we going?
We're going to put those 2 cars in here. That means you got to clear the switch and I got to throw that switch again.
Okay, so I need to go this way.
Yep. We're going the right way. You're starting off really good.
So far.
Alright, let me throw your switch. Alright, should have thrown. And for those wondering, Wilson & Company has 3 bays. I use bays 1 and 3 for the 40-foot or 36-foot reefers. I use bay number 2 is if I'm putting in a 50-foot car, which could be bringing supplies like pallets, or it could be bringing, it could be bringing whatever. Also, for those who are wondering, this is a kit bash of ITLA out of Canada. Go ahead and start slowing down.
I was working on it.
And I'm still not finished with it, but I'm getting close. Alright, you should be unhooked. Well, there it goes. I don't think you're coupled. No, you are coupled still. Now you're uncoupled.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay. I'm forward. We just gotta throw the switch, right?
Nope. You keep going. You're good. Switch is clear. Oh, it coupled. I got it. Keep going. There you go. Yeah, the parking under the canopies are a little tougher to uncouple right now. All right. So you've already dropped off 2 cars.
Yep.
We'll go pick up the cleaning cars later. All right. Now what you'll need to do is you're going to need to connect to that tank car, and we're going to have to pull that tank car all the way up to here.
Okay.
All right. What speed you going?
6.
Oh, you can go up to 10.
Oh, okay. We're going.
Yeah.
We're moving.
Yeah, you're empty. You're not pushing cars. Stop your locomotive right there. There you go. That's good. All right.
Hey,
back in.
Look at me. There we go.
And you can go 10 in reverse as long as you're not
let's do
pushing. Just make sure you slow down when you get over to the tank car, because you really don't want to mess with that. That tank car is full of LPG. Liquid petroleum gas. There you go.
Beautiful. I hope you all at home saw that. That was flawless.
Oh, she's doing good.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to pull that whole train up. The whole train.
Okay.
But we want to stop the tank car right here on the switch.
So go until the tank car gets.
Yeah.
Okay. And I can go 5?
You can go 10. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on. All right, guys, I'll be right back. We're back. We had a little short we had to take care of, but I got it fixed. All right, go ahead and start slowing down. Okay, yeah, we're good right there. Stop. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do after I unhook this tank car is we're going to go ahead and start picking up the other cars.
Okay.
So we're going to move back up to here. Now the reason we did that is because there is a crossover right there that we needed to make sure it's clear. If If you want, you can go ahead and grab that tank car way down there. We gotta go get those 2 box cars too, but we'll grab the tank car first. Keep going. Alright, you are a car length. Half a car length. Keep going. And you're coupled. Alright.
Reverse?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go 5.
You can go 10, you're not pushing, you're pulling. Okay, so this switch here, we want to pass it. Alright, so go ahead and slow down and stop. Alright.
So, are we right here?
Well, you just picked it up, but we haven't dropped it off yet. So you're actually going to be picking up several cars at once. So now we're going to go pick up those over at Budweiser.
I can go 10?
5. Because you're pushing.
Because I'm pushing.
Yeah.
What if I go 7?
No, 5. No speeding. You get in trouble. Yardmaster will get your tail. Now see, I think this is more like Jack speed. Speed step 5. I hope Jack's watching this. I'll send him a text message and let him know that we referenced him many times. Okay, you're getting close. You can go. Keep going. Keep going. And you're good.
Okay.
Alright.
Forward? Or
reverse.
And then go 5.
10. You're not pushing. You're pulling. Oh, we didn't couple. Sometimes that happens. Alright, go ahead and push it back in. Be at speed step 2. We want to make sure it hits hard. This is where I've got a... Oh, I see the problem. Alright, you can stop. What's that right? This is where I've got a standard head on one car and a scale head coupler on the other. So sometimes they don't like to couple each other very well. It's coupled now.
Okay. Reverse. And then you said I could do 10.
You can do 10.
Let's go. Let's get it rolling.
Check out that red, white, and blue box
That
car.
is a pretty car.
Yeah.
I like that.
And no, it does not say potatoes on it. It says products.
I could see that though.
Well, so Maine did their reefer cars. We're going to go ahead and stop. Right there, that's good. So the state of Maine cars by Bangor and Aroostook. And then, of course, I think New Haven and Hartford also had some of these. Their reefer cars would say state of Maine potatoes.
Oh.
And I actually have one of those somewhere. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go forward. We're going to basically go back into this track over here.
Okay. I can go 5?
5. Perfect. And I should have threw that switch.
Because I'm pushing.
You're pushing.
If you're pulling, you can do 10.
Right. And sometimes you'll have cars on both ends of your locomotive where you're pushing and pulling at the same time. But if you're pushing, you're still limited.
Okay. How am I doing so far, guys? Let me know.
Yeah, let her know in the comments. I don't know, I might make this a premiere so we can do a live chat.
Oh, that would be fun.
Yeah, we'll do that. So, for those who are actually watching, put in the live chat of how she's doing. Okay.
Where am I going to?
You're going to go to about right here.
Okay.
We want to clear this switch area.
Okay.
So that way we can pull these cars over here. Alright, I cleared the switch. You can stop.
I was doing 6.
Shame on you. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
We're going to want to drop those 3 cars right here.
Okay.
So go ahead. Oh, wow. What in the world happened here? We uncoupled.
So, go back.
Alright, another instance of standard head versus scale head.
And I'm pulling, so
You're pulling.
I can do 10.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, I don't know what happened in that instance. That was wild. Amanda must have put some hidden magnets on my layout.
That's exactly what I did.
Yeah, I figured you would. When that stop that locomotive on the grade crossing. Keep going.
On the grade crossing? Where's the grade crossing?
You're going on it right now.
Oh, that looks brown to me.
Well, we call a crossing with the road a grade crossing. Stop.
Stopping?
Yep. And we died.
So I need to go...
Come this way.
By myself?
Yep. I'll hit that 9 button one time. There you go. Okay, you can stop right there. So we had a little dirty track issue. Alright, she's going to change her direction while I change the switch. Oh, God blessed it, derail. Keep going.
So we just drop those off.
Yep.
Okay.
Now, do you know which cars are going where?
Hold on, and I can...
Well, go ahead and connect to it first, and then we'll figure it out.
Let's see if it goes. Boom.
Okay.
Magic.
Now,
okay.
Let's see which ones are going where.
So...
This is AMOX.
I don't see that anywhere. Oh, this one?
Yep.
Move that one from track 2 to pass more gas.
Okay, so this one's going to pass more gas.
So I just need to go that way with it.
It'll go all the way down to what you're
Okay.
going to end up doing. All right, let's see what you got. You got some other ones.
Well, it's all out of order, so...
Well, yeah, it's going to be out of order on the paper. So this is your SAL.
Yeah.
So where's SAL going?
From track 2 to... I'm going to mess this up. Shack of Sit. I'm going to mess that up one day.
All right.
Shack of Sit Furniture Company.
Okay, where's the other cotton belt car that's going to the Shack of Sit? Which is the other one?
33929.
Oh, man, they didn't block you very well, did they? Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
So, in other words, this car right here is going to go way down there.
Yep.
In front of the green and black tankers.
Yep.
And this car here is going to go under that building.
Okay.
Then the next 2 cars behind these 2, you can't see them, they're going to go right here.
Well, who thought of that? Somebody
and then
messed this up.
And then that last box car there that's connected to your locomotive is going to go under there.
I think I hit the select loco button.
Oh, hit escape at the bottom.
Escape.
ESC, program escape.
Okay.
There you go.
No.
All right.
Now we're in business.
So you're just going to go ahead and push. Let's just go ahead and push and drop the tanker off first.
So you can only do 5 when you're pushing.
Yep. And that's for in case if it derails, you can stop real quick.
Okay.
You have a greater chance of derailing in a pushing move than a pulling move. I'll tell you when to stop. Now eventually I'll come over here and start replacing all the turnouts with the hand built. And when I do that, I'm going to slightly change the configuration of this location. Keyword slightly. Okay, you are 1 car length, so slow down to 2. You're a half a car length, so slow down to 1. Keep going until I say stop. And stop. Go ahead and drop you off there. Okay, so now you're going to change your direction. And I'm going to throw this switch. And we want to take this box car, the route of courteous service, under check a sit.
And I can do 10?
You can do 10.
You look at me learning the rules of the truck.
That's right. You have a lot less rules here than you do on the main line. See here, you don't have no one interfering with you. Like you might have like a mainline train come in front.
Yeah.
You know, if there's another operator. Okay, we don't want to hit our cars over there though. But you don't have to work around other people. You don't have to work around. That's good. We just wanted to clear that switch. Okay, so get just the very edge of the boxcar sticking out from the front of Shack Sit.
And I can do 5.
You can do 5. Because see, we'll have to shove another car in there eventually. But I'm going to show you a trick that we can do to make this go a little easier. That's good. Because that's not going to be its final resting spot. Alright, go ahead and back up. Alright.
You mean?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Now we just want this box car here to clear the switch.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, we just want that box car to clear that there switch. And that's good, you're clear. Your switch is way over here.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take that middle box car.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
No, we're not going to unhook it.
Oh.
I want it right here on top of this switch.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So we're going to go 4.
Yep.
And you've already thrown my switch?
Yep.
And I can do 10 if I want
5.
5. Okay, because I'm pushing.
You're pushing.
I'll get that tattooed somewhere.
The direction of the locomotive is irrelevant. Because right now, your train, even though your locomotive's going forward, your train as a whole is going in reverse.
Yeah.
Keep going. Alright. Where your first car is, that's where I want your second car. So keep going. And right there's good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unhook that one. Alright, let's back up. And we're going to put this boxcar with the Seaboard Airline boxcar.
Okay, so I just need to clear the switch.
You need to clear the switch.
Okay.
And actually, I'm going to do you another favor. Go ahead and connect those two cars over there. Keep going. Those two.
Oh. You mean connect them.
Connect them to your locomotive.
Oh, okay.
I think they've been cleaned long enough. Don't use your hand. See if your locomotive will couple it first.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, what in the world happened here? Okay, so Amanda killed the locomotive on the switch, so we had to bring it back to life. But she's connected now. She's learning, y'all. You gotta be patient with her. All right, you got your headlight on?
I don't. So.
All right, hit your 0 2 times.
No, I don't.
There you go.
I'm forward.
See, that's what happens when you kill a locomotive on the switch. It kills your light too. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and connect to the. Let's see if I got the switch thrown. Yep, it's thrown. So go ahead. You can go up to 5. Sometimes when you run on the switches going at like 1 or 2, that sometimes it'll kill. As long as you're going like 3 or higher, it don't.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Of course, the frog on that switch ain't juiced yet. So that could be part of it. Alright, you're going to keep pushing. Keep pushing till I say stop. Now see, I love these buildings with the canopy. It just looks so cool when you're pushing a car up under the canopies.
It really does.
And that's good. Because this is the fun part of the coupler thing not wanting to work. There we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pick these 2 cars back up.
So just go clear the switch.
Yep. Alright, you cleared it? Nope, you're not cleared.
Oh.
Keep going. Now you're clear.
I got this.
And you remember me telling you about the instance you could have cars on both the front and the back of the locomotive?
Yeah.
This is one of those instances. But the nice thing is we're done with the very back. Now you just got to get these connected. Keep going. You're just going to push them.
I am?
Yeah.
I don't think they can.
It's okay. Just push.
Okay.
You're pushing, so. Yeah, it actually connected.
Yay! I did it.
Okay, we want to clear this switch here. Alright, that's good. And we'll end up connecting to these again. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to take this whole train and we're going to back it in over to Wilson & Company. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to make sure that this switch here is in the correct position. And you're going to connect to those cars in there. give y'all a different view while she's backing up closer to us.
Can I do 6?
No.
7?
No.
8?
5. Not your shoe size.
Oh, man.
Half of my shoe size.
Okay.
You're actually almost done.
I know.
So one of the things that I'm looking at doing is, instead of having the crossover way down there, have it here with another entry in. And maybe putting in a double slip here. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta keep the speed up. It'll kick back on. Mainly because I'm having issues with these turnouts, because yeah, I'm just having issues with those 2 turnouts. That's why I'm doing the hand-built turnouts. All right, keep going. You're about a quarter of a car length. All right. Keep going. And no couple. Stop. Now it coupled. Sometimes if you're not going fast enough when you hit, especially with the plastic couplers, they don't want to couple for some reason.
Where am I headed?
You got to pull out, because we need these 2 cars in there.
Okay. So
You can go 10.
let's go.
There we go. Moving all that meat. See, I told you, it just keeps dying on that one that switch. Yeah.
It's like right in here.
Yeah, it's those switches. Alright, so we're gonna put this last car on the grade crossing.
Okay. On it?
Yep. Keep going. It ain't on it yet. It's partially on it. Now you can stop. Let's see here. Okay. Now go. So these turnouts are the Pico Electro Frogs, but see, I took the spring out of them because I was going to put tortoises on them, which is something I haven't done yet. And I know that's my problem. I know what the problem is. I know how to fix the problem. But now that I'm doing hand-built switches and I'm going to change this up, they're going to come out. Alright, that's good. Alright, go ahead and pull back. Because now we want to take these 2 cars, put them in the building.
Okay. So they need to...
Yep, stop on the grade crossing. And... Alright, now that that's cleared, I'm going to move this one straight, because we'll need it later. And I'm going to take this one.
Boom.
Alright, now try it.
I'm curious, everybody that's watching, how many of you, your spouses, do this with you on a regular basis?
Regular basis?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
I would like to hear from them.
Well, I know, like, Opa Dodge or Anthony Dodge, his wife Joyce, gets on his weekly live stream when she gets home. So I would say that would be one of the regulars. I bet you not many.
I mean, like, spouses, like, running trains with them.
Now, I know there's some spouses that will help with their layout, like they'll do like custom detailing stuff. I think like Crooked River Dave, his wife on his candy factory used her Cricut machine and made some stuff and did a really phenomenal job. That's good. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to pull forward, and I'm going to go around you.
Around me.
Because I need you all the way, but don't hit these cars. You can go 10.
Oh, I can do 10. Well, I'm not breaking any rules then. That's no fun.
But now what you got to do is connect to this state of Maine.
Yeah.
Back the tank cart into the Wilson car. Pull the whole train up.
Okay.
That's what you got to do next.
Okay.
So that way it's ready for the next local that's coming through to come pick it up.
Okay.
And I'll go ahead and throw that switch. Yeah, we're almost done. We're on the home stretch. Alright, go ahead and slow down. And keep going. I've got to clear that switch. Alright, now you're good. Alright, you can go 10 till you get to that boxcar. Keep going. Nope, you're not coupled.
I only got one really smooth coupling at the beginning.
And we said sometimes you got to be going faster than one.
Sure.
Alright, go ahead and connect to the Wilson cars back there in the back.
And then we're going to pull the whole thing up.
Yep.
Okay.
I would say hit that coupler at 2, and then once you hit it, then stop.
Okay.
There you go.
Got it.
Now hit direction and see if you coupled. You'll know when you pull your train through. Alright, shove those cars. It's got to be that plastic coupler.
Yep.
There you go. Yep.
Let's do forward. Yep.
Yeah, that's one of the things that I've got to allocate funds to is more couplers. Katie couplers are not cheap.
Need a coupler fund.
Yeah, I need a lot of funds if that's the case.
Right.
Like a backdrop fund, so that way it'll continue from over there. That's one of the things. Well, but see, like right now I'm trying to put the funds over into the sawmill.
Yep.
But yeah, backdrop's definitely going to be something I need, but like I won't need it until I'm ready to start doing scenery over here. Okay, you can. Oh, keep going, and stop. All right, go ahead and pull your locomotive up without hitting those cars, but to clear this switch, and we're going to put him up in his track. Alright, that's good. Alright, now here's the fun part. Your track doesn't have an end bumper on it, so you don't want to run off the end of the track. It's that little stub track there in the middle of the layout.
Right here?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, so what am I doing?
You're going to back into it.
Okay.
You should be lined up. But yeah, backdrop fund, coupler fund, car weight fund, LCC equipment fund, which also includes tortoises. You name it. So So what I'm going to put here, unless I do a change, is just like a little shed canopy to park the locomotive under. That's good. Alright, change your direction. Alright, you're going to hit the 6 button twice. Sounded beautiful. Now turn your headlight off.
9 or
0.
5? Oh,
0.
0.
Yeah. There you go. So, congratulations on running your first ops. Even though you did have me as your conductor. So, what do you think about it?
Thanks for watching.
No, I asked you a question. You ain't getting out of that one. Was it fun?
It was. It was kind of fun.
Yeah.
Kind of makes your mind have to do other things.
It's a lot better than watching them run in a circle, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay. But other than that, y'all be safe out there. I hope y'all have a great week. Happy railroading.